Okay, so today I'm planning to make a Christmas basket from the pantry, mostly from the pantry. Some of it obviously is not, but this is where we're going to start. Now I have cut out a little colorful centerpiece for each one of these jars. And what I mostly have is jams and jellies and applesauce and my little oranges, but I do have one. So mostly jams and jellies here, but I also have one vinaigrette. So, and we have our bowl here. Now I've also made up we'll be making up a whole bunch of tags and tying them also to the jam jars, or to the jars, and saying what each one of these is inside that. So I just got a little craft label and some craft thread, and I'm going to look at this and see what it is so I can create a label. Okay, so this one is grape jelly. And of course we put brand new rings on this. Okay, that one, I want to use one that is the same color here. So this one is a strawberry. I can tell that immediately. So I'm going to write strawberry on this. Okay, there we go. Yep, that's my strawberry jam. One long one and one short one. Okay, so the long one will go around a couple of times, and then we tie it up here. And just do a nice bow here. Okay, so what we're going to do is dress up all of these jars like this. And I've just used colorful paper here. I didn't bother to use fabric. Fabric's okay, but couldn't find anything I liked, and this paper is actually quite pretty. Okay, so I'm going to do that to all the jars, and then I'm going to stack them in here. That I have my base created, I'm going to put a store-bought little pack of coffee on top, and I have some apple chips, some sugared pecans that I made, and a couple of packages of my amaretto cookies. So I think that's about as full as I can get this. Let's see if I can. And let's keep it straight if we can. So now I'm just going to have to put a bag around the whole thing. Okay, well I had just purchased these basket wraps from Dollar Tree, and I was hoping that they'd be strong enough, and they were just fine. So I'm going to open that up. Try to find the center here, and gently ease all of this into that. Perfect. I'm going to tie up some raffia. Okay. Nothing like dressing it up to say it's Christmas. And I think I will trim just a bit of this. Okay, perfect. Well, there we have it, my Christmas basket from the pantry. Let me just put it elsewhere where you can see it. Okay, so there's my pantry Christmas basket, specially made for one individual that I know will appreciate everything that's in there. So it's not that difficult to do. I mean, the more artistic you are, the better it'll turn out, obviously. If I knew how to tie a nice ribbon, it would be a little bit prettier, but it's all good. It all works, and it's what's inside that counts. So there we have it, my pantry Christmas basket. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you on the next one. Okay, so there's my pantry Christmas basket, specially made for one individual that I know will appreciate everything that's in there. So it's not that difficult to do. I mean, the more artistic you are, the better it'll turn out, obviously. If I knew how to tie a nice ribbon, it would be a little bit prettier, but it's all good. It all works, and it's what's inside that counts. So there we have it, my pantry Christmas basket. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you on the next one.